My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Today we have Sakai's and we have Dunks dropping. Oh my god! Today we have Jordan 1 highs releasing, and then a little bit later on we also have some Dunks releasing on concepts. Yes! Let's go! Oh my gosh, SOLE AIO. Oh my god, dude. Am I gonna get it? Am I gonna get it? Yo, please, yes! We have a number of releases today, with one of them from Yeezy Supply, and we do not know what is dropping on Yeezy Supply yet. Hopefully it's something profitable and hopefully we can get something. Alright, we've figured it out. The waiting room just went live for the Yeezy 700 V3s. Now, the resale price for these aren't really that great. I really don't know why. I think these look fine, but now that I'm looking at it for a little bit longer, maybe it's because it looks like a PP colorway. I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to be going super hard on these, but whatever, I'll just go for them, why not? Anyways, the drop is in 5 minutes. Let's get it going.
Shit, yeah. I'ma pull up in a new whip, yeah. I'ma pull up with a new bitch, yeah. Niggas can't stand how I'm moving, yeah. Fast lane, that's how I'm moving, yeah. I be going out making movies, yeah. I be going out making movies, yeah. They just woke up from the snooze, yeah. Look how I'm moving, 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 yeah.
What?
Look how I'm moving, yeah.
It really flew that quickly?
Look how I'm moving, yeah.
Oh, I got a W on TSB for one of the mids. Another one. These aren't that important. I really wouldn't be able to make too much profit off of these, but they're alright.
Oh
my god, Polaris, check that out.
I'ma pull up with a new bitch, yeah. Niggas can't stand how I'm moving, yeah. Fast lane, that's how I'm moving, yeah. I be going out making
apparently Nike AIO is doing work, so I'm gonna give it a try.
Look how I'm moving, yeah. 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 Wavy about the fucking flags. Hey, hoops.
That release was not that good for me. I ended up with 3 pairs and a bunch of declines. I got passed through the queue manually as well, and I was getting declines on there as well. But as far as the bots are concerned, the ones that did do very well was Mech AIO and Polaris, but unfortunately I ran Mech AIO a little bit too late, and then my computer crashed because I didn't know what I was doing. But either way, I'm not too stressed out about it because, like I said, the profit margins on these Yeezy 700 V3s aren't that good anyway to begin with, as of right now anyway. Not a big deal. On to the next drop. Alright guys, I have a story to tell. Last night I decided to pull an all-nighter and edit the entire night so that I can get episode 81 out by the next day. But this is not something that I usually do, especially if there's a drop, which was the case today. But I thought to myself, you know what, I'm just gonna finish this video and then after the drop I can take a nap. So that's exactly what I decided to do. And then I woke up just to find out one of the shoes that I really wanted shock dropped on Nike sneakers, which was absolutely heartbreaking. Grayson from Notify was able to give our members a 1-minute heads up before it even shock dropped, so I definitely would have had a really good chance. And Joy was home too, which means we would have had 2 chances to get these, but no, they decided to drop it exactly when I was not awake. So that absolutely sucks. Like the moment I woke up and I saw a bunch of people hit, I was like gutted. But you know what? I am over it. I'm just gonna try not to think about it. I'm not exactly happy about that. Man, I really wish I was awake. This video is sponsored by Notify EU. Some of my European viewers have been asking about cook groups for their region. So if you're from Europe and you still need a premium cook group to help you with your reselling needs, Notify EU is definitely one of the ones you should check out. They are going to be restocking on the 28th of November. The restock link will be posted on their Twitter at the time of restock, but if you are trying to join, you do need to check out fast as memberships are limited. Good luck and onto the video. Today we have a couple of minor releases. We have Snipes USA is going to be dropping the Jordan 1 Midnight Navies, and we also have New Balances dropping. I'm not going too hard, these don't matter too much, but as always, if they're profitable, we're gonna go for them. So let's see what we get.
This is Kiko.
The hell? Payment declined. Oh my god. What the fuck? 4 W's. No. Dude, that was an actual bank decline. I could have gotten another one. The ones that got declined are like super good sizes, except for this 9.5. It's not too often I actually get payment declined, surprisingly. Oh my god. Oh my god. SOLE AIO is too good. What the heck, man? That's lovely. I got one of each color for 2 websites. That's crazy. Got a mid. That's not a very good size though. Alright, I think that is it. Not a bad day at all. I got a total of 9 checkouts today. That's definitely more than what I expected, so pretty happy about the results. A bunch of shoes came in the mail today from some of the more recent releases and restocks, including the Yeezy 700 V3s. Let's see what they look like in person. Oh, yeah, this is one of those shoes that actually look worse in person. My earlier description of it, the PP colorway, I think is pretty accurate, and I guess that kind of explains the low resale value of these sneakers. But surely some people can pull off some fire fits with this shoe. Not hating, just not my taste. No way. No way. Get the heck out of here. How is that possible? How did I take a W? I am at a loss of words. I was able to cop a dunk from Nike sneakers using TSP, and I am super duper surprised that I was even able to do that, because I was like 100% sure my information was permanently banned. But I am not going to get my hopes up yet, just because the cancel rate from Nike to my address is very high. but I have a feeling that this one will go through. The accounts that I used were from authentic accounts. I am sponsored by them, so you can use my discount code if you decide to try botting Nike sneakers. I do believe that botting Nike sneakers is a big gamble just because it's mostly based on luck, and also I spent a lot of time on my Nike sneaker setup to try and make it as safe as possible, but that is just my opinion. Either way, I am super happy about that W. There are going to be a few important releases this week, and here is what they are going to be. We'll see if we're able to get our hands on these on the next episode.